Man, it's so fun to watch those guys on YouTube microwaving stuff for entertainment.
I know, there are some experiments they do that would actually be pretty funny for us to pull off.
I know, it was absolutely hilarious how horrible they said it smelled after they microwaved Mighty Putty.
Once school gets out, we should try it on our own. Let's all go to the hardware store after school and get some Mighty Putty.
Great find, everyone. We managed to get 4 packs, so we each get our own.
Hey Leo, should we do it now since your parents have not come home yet?
I thought about that, but I've now got a much better idea. Since we each get our own packs, let's take them to school tomorrow and put them in the microwaves throughout the school.
That is such a great idea. I can't wait for tomorrow.
Sweet, it looks like everyone else is remembering to bring their Mighty Putty to school today. I can't wait to head over. Cool, so we got here early enough to get the Mighty Putty in the microwaves before our classes start. Let's go do this. Man, that was so much fun. I can't wait until the smell is able to establish itself and gross everyone out.
Oh my God. Where is that horrible smell coming from?
I have no idea. I have been trying to find where that smell was coming from all day. I think we'll have to cancel school while we investigate the cause of this.
This was, like, the best day ever. Seeing everyone's reactions to the smell was funny enough, and we even got to get out of school early because of how bad it was.
There you kids are. You are in so much trouble.
Why? We are not cutting class. School was let out early today.
We know, the school called us. They said you kids were responsible for the extremely bad smell that took over the school.
Why would they think we would pull off such a thing?
Security footage saw you guys bringing Mighty Putty to school. The microwaves that were emitting the smell had charred Mighty Putty in them.
Leo and Annie, how dare you microwave Mighty Putty at school and force an evacuation?
That's it. You're grounded for 2, 1, 9, 7, 3, 5, 3, 6, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 6, 8, 3, 2, 9 years. Go upstairs to your rooms right now.
Wah 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 wah.
June, how dare you microwave Mighty Putty at school and force an evacuation?
That's it. You're grounded for 2197353668769868329 years. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.
Quincy, how dare you microwave Mighty Putty at school and force an evacuation?
That's it. You're grounded for 2, 1, 9, 7, 3, 5, 3, 6, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 6, 8, 3, 2, 9 years. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe here to get the latest content, and off to the left you can check out some of my other videos.